Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to protect and secure your Commvault DR backups in the event you need to perform a DR restore, such as after a ransomware event. A disaster recovery backup forms a backup of the Commserve and other databases installed within the Commserve software. The Commserve database is a SQL database containing the Commcell configuration, as well as the client and backup metadata. It's predicted ransomware will attack a business every 14 seconds by the end of 2019. It has never been more important to protect your backup metadata in the event your backup infrastructure is compromised. A daily schedule for a full DR backup is automatically created when Commvault is installed. However, it's critical to ensure that this backup is securely stored. Today I'm going to show you how to configure this both locally and in the cloud out of the reach of ransomware. In the help tile, we can see one critical event. Let's check this first. We can see we have a critical alert related to disaster recovery backup. We strongly recommend you do not store your DR backups on local disk, as is in this case. The reason being, if your server was hit by ransomware or you lost your primary server, you may also lose your DR metadata backups. We're going to fix this. First, go to Administration, then System, then Maintenance, and navigate to DR Backup Daily. You can see here the local C drive is the current destination. Let's change this. While here, we can also change the number of DR backups to retain. Here we can choose network shares such as UNC or local drive. We're also going to enable DR backup to Commvault Cloud. This ensures in the event of a ransomware event that you have a copy of your Commserve database stored safely in the cloud. Click Save and it's as simple as that.